to help care for your brush and keep your bristles looking nice, you can take any clear polish, top coat, base coat, whatever you want, and just do something like this. So then, because I put just the tiniest amount of clear polish on it and then straightened out the bristles, it's going to keep my bristles like this, which is nice because sometimes you're putting it in the cap and you accidentally like, you know, go like that, and then all of a sudden your bristles like frayed when you pull it out. So this just helps to make sure that your bristles won't, unless you really like jam it in a weird way. But as long as you're just kind of careful, your bristles will just stay like this because the clear coating of polish helps to make sure it stays in place. And then again, when you're ready to use it, you just take a little acetone and wipe it, and then your bristles will go back to being soft and pliable, which is perfect for reverse stamping.